In a fine mesh strainer, sift 100 grams of powdered sugar. $20 grams of cocoa powder, and 80 grams of almond flour. Discard the lumps and big pieces. Mix the dry ingredients together. In a separate bowl, beat 100 grams of egg whites with an electric mixer for about a minute until they turn foamy and white. Then gradually add 90 grams of granulated sugar, and keep beating until the meringue forms stiff peaks and all the sugar has dissolved. Meringue into the dry mixture. Fold in a circle with a spatula and pressed across. Macaronage until no dry or white streaks remain, and the batter flows slowly and smoothly like lava. Pipe the macarons on some parchment paper to the desired shape and size. Drop the tray against the surface a few times to remove air bubbles. Then let it sit until a dry skin forms. In a pot, add 100 grams of cream and add a pinch of salt. Heat the cream until it simmers. Then pour it into 200 grams of dark chocolate. Stir well. If the chocolate doesn't fully melt, put it over a hot water bath to help it melt faster. Refrigerate to chill. After 1 hour, these macarons are now ready to bake. After baking, cool the macarons completely before piping in the ganache. Let the macarons mature in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours before serving for better texture and flavor.